found this domino in our house. We have a few of them and you can find them every once in a while in some corners of our home. Looking at this domino, it got me thinking. By itself, a single domino seems insignificant. It's small, lightweight, and easy to overlook. Yet, if you have ever watched a domino chain reaction, you know something remarkable. A tiny domino can eventually topple one much larger than itself. With each domino slightly bigger than the last, the energy multiplies until something that once seemed impossible becomes reality. That reminds me of what Jesus or Yeshua said. If you have faith as a mustard seed, nothing will be impossible for you. That's Matthew 17 verse 20. Many of us think our faith is too small to matter. We compare ourselves with spiritual giants and conclude that God cannot use us. But Yeshua never said we needed mountain-sized faith. He said faith the size of a mustard seed is enough when it is placed in a great God. Like that little domino, genuine faith sets something in motion. It takes the first step, it offers the first prayer, it chooses obedience even when the outcome is uncertain. And as we continue trusting God, we begin to see Him accomplish things far beyond what we imagined possible. Mountains are not moved because our faith is enormous. They are moved because the God we trust is infinitely greater than every mountain we face. Perhaps you've been waiting until your faith feels stronger before obeying God. Maybe you've convinced yourself that what you have is not enough. But God specializes in using what seems small to accomplish what seems impossible. So, don't underestimate your mustard seed of faith. Don't underestimate your little domino. Place it in God's hands. Trust Him with your next step and watch what He can set into motion. What looks small today may become the beginning of something far greater than you ever expected. I hope that has inspired you to increase your faith and always believe in the God who can move mountains. I'm Joshua Infantado, Becoming Christians, and I hope to see you next time. Hello friends, I need your help. If this is not too much to ask, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. This should only take 5 seconds of your time. But this simple gesture would help me reach more people and share the Word of God with the rest of the world. You have the power to make a difference in people's lives.